magbabalot na kami, lalayas na kami.
Lilipat na kami, charot.
So, ito, prepare na for camping.
3 days, 2 nights camping.
Pero mukhang 1 week, di ba?
Mukhang 1 week sa gamit. Grabe. Kaya tama na talaga yung dalawang anak eh. Paano kung...
Mag-upgrade na lang daw ng sasakyan.
Sabi mo eh.
Sabi ko eh. Okay. So yun. Halos na nakalagay naman na lahat ng gamit. Okay na. Tapos tested na rin naman to.
Magda-double check na lang si Caleb sa bahay.
Kung may nakalimutan. At kung may nakalimutan man, ilista na lang sa lessons learned.
Ay nako, yung mga chikiting. Papakita namin. Ayun na nga, magka-camping kami today sa Foothills, sa Nature's Hideaway from Thursday night to Saturday afternoon. Are you excited, Kuya Kea? Are you excited, Tina Grace? Oo daw, excited daw yan.
Dito na tayo, peeps, sa Nature's Hideaway Family Campground. There. Check-in muna tayo. Tapos, bili muna tayo sa tindahan. Oh, there's a lot of dogs. Say hi. So mga pips, meron tayong mattress na self-inflate. Meron siyang inflate, meron siyang built-in pump. At convenient kasi nakalagay na agad dun yung pump. So rechargeable lang siya. Nabili namin sa Amazon. Hi peeps, ito mag-dinner na kami at last. Nakapag ayos na rin ng mga gamit. Nakapag-set up na ng canopy tent at nakapag-set up na rin ng mismong tent namin para sa pagtulog. At ito si Mami nag-prepare ng spaghetti saka chicken, barbecue chicken, tapos merong leche plan din. Wow! Special! Sarap naman ang camping. Kain tayo mga peeps. Kaya Tina, nag-enjoy ka sa bonfire. Say hi. Gising ba siya?
Gising na gising.
Hey peeps, time check tayo. Anong oras na ba?
I'm Kuya Kel.
11:10 na.
Do you want?
Gising pa kami.
Blue and red.
Hindi yata nakikita si Kit.
Good morning. What are you eating, Kuya Kale?
Pancake.
Our breakfast for our first morning here in the camping is pancake. Then I will also cook bacon.
I'm having so much fun to eat and play and sing along with my friends.
Who's your friend?
Daddy.
Chef, anong putahe natin?
Today our menu is hot dog, bacon, and pancake.
Wow!
Of course, with coffee.
With coffee.
Coffee ko.
Boss, what are we building?
A tower.
Tower of what?
Me.
Tower of you?
Yeah.
How about you? Princess? Princess? Since when did you have long hair? Sarap. Yummy. Yan yung araw. Sumisikat na pero parang medyo smoky kasi dahil sa wildfire sa ibang probinsya sa BC.
Sa Ontario.
Ontario din.
I'm Daddy's friend and my friend.
Oh, how about Atina's friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy's friend.
No.
What? You're not mommy's friend? Are you kidding?
Ayan guys, gumagawa daw sila ng chocolate.
Just wait for it to dry up.
Tinatapos ko pa yung food ko.
Yeah, let's wait for it to dry up.
Ito yung playground dito sa Nature's Hideaway Campground. And yung playground age range is 5 to 12 years old. And kung mas bata, syempre mas kailangan ng parent supervision or adult supervision. Go, Kuya Kale! Woo! Is it fun?
Ants.
Syempre, itong magtatay, magsaslide din daw. Tignan natin yung reaction ni Athena. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! You had fun, Athena? Ay! Woo! Pips, may magic talaga tong si Caleb eh. Lagi niyang napapatulog si Athena. Then yung anak kong mukhang sand. Ang saya-saya niya pag may sand. Pero nung bata siya, ayaw niya yung sand. Naalala mo yon nung baby siya.
Mom, can you remove my slippers?
Okay, after maglakad-lakad, syempre nagutom
I want
yung
more
magtatay.
kiwi.
That's all. How about the plum? That's your favorite.
Plum, this one.
Ayan, healthy snack tayo ngayon.
Kahit si Athena.
Kahit si Athena.
I want also kiwi.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay!
How about you, Kuya Kale?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Why are you hiding? Ito, peeps, kakain na kami, lunchtime.
If you're happy, I do not.
Nagluto si mami ng sinigang na baboy.
If you're happy,
Yung favorite ko, yun, no?
if you're happy.
Tama. Sus. Okay, let's eat.
Okay, let's happy birthday.
What will you say to each other?
I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
Tayo sweet din dapat. I love you.
Now let's play soccer together.
Wait a while. Enjoy yung bata, oh. Nice?
Water.
Yeah. Come to daddy. So mga peeps, dito kami ngayon sa may river. Hindi ko alam ano yung pangalan ng river na to, pero yung river sa tabi ng Nature's Hideaway Family Campground. Malamig yung tubig, pero dahil mainit yung sikat ng araw, masarap.
Camping.
Yeah.
Let's go. Walk.
Mainit kasi ngayon sa tent kapag ganitong oras, kaya naglatag na muna kami sa labas ng picnic mat. Sobrang init kasi sa loob dito dahil pag yung araw sumikat, tapos na tatrap yung init sa loob ng tent. Gusto, sinampay na lang din namin yung mga basahan naming damit kanina nung naligo kami. Wow! Chef, ano to, chef?
Dumpling lang ng bibi ko.
Fried dumpling. Ang snack natin, ang merienda natin for today. Yay!
We're coming to eat.
Yes! Who is the chef? Mommy is the chef. And how about you? You also want to eat? Oh, there you go. Yummy?
Okay, eto Pips, talagang dapat maraming baong activity pag may mga batang kasama sa camping. Si Kuya Kale, ayan. Isa sa mga na-receive niyang gift nung birthday niya. Itong soccer set na net tsaka ball.
Isa lang yung dinala naming net kasi isa lang talaga yung ginagamit ni Gail. Okay.
Siyempre, may cheerleader siya. Si Athena Grace. Uy! One. Sige,
Ito mga peeps, nainitan yung...
Let's switch daw.
Ha?
Switch daw.
Oh, switch ice cream. Nainitan yung mga campers.
May isang bata.
Isang bata gusto rin ng ice cream.
Hindi na pa inaabot.
Ayan. So ito, the best to para pampadamig ng ulo. Sa pag-aalaga ng dalawang mabait na mga bata. Yeah.
It's what?
Yummy.
Good morning, Pete.
Morning, peeps. This is our
Ground.
after our second night.
And we're in
Third day.
third day. We're in the campground.
Yeah, how's your sleep, Kuya Kale?
So long.
So long. Oh. How about you, Athena? How's your sleep? Ayan, yung mga toys. Ito yung mga binibiling toys ni Mami. Ayan, mga ganyan. Yung may tumutunog na ganito. Tapos, ang gusto ni Athena, yung box. Tsaka yung mga tripod.
Electric fan.
Mga appliances ang gusto niya.
No, Tina.
At,
That's for that.
ay nako. Athena. Iwa. Yan, Mami. Say good morning.
Good morning, Pips. Ito, syempre, busy na mag-pack up para mamaya di na ganun kadami yung iligpitin ni Daddy Caleb.
Dada,
Yes?
is this our tent?
Yeah, it's our tent. Do you like our tent? Yeah. Breakfast time. What are you eating, Athena? Bread. Athena is eating bread. Ito, at syempre, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Just kidding, because it's spaghetti. That's why you're saying happy birthday. But no, it's no one's birthday. Because,
Ito,
just because.
nag-omelette lang ako. Kasi nga kahapon sa sobrang init, yung rice, yung bottom part niya na maawis na. So, sana magra-rice kami pero
Nasira na.
buti may spaghetti pa.
Is it yummy, Kuya Kel? Yes. What's that? What is that? What is this? Why did you cut it?
Because it's my choice.
By choice. Oh, that's a nice answer. It's a good answer, eh? It's your choice, eh? Yeah. But what is this? Can you tell peeps what is this? It's a
This.
cake?
Okay, yeah. It is.
Can you eat, can you taste it?
No. That's sand.
That's just pretend.
No. I'm throwing the cake.
Ito,
What's
mga
that?
peeps. Umagang-umaga, marami meron nang nag-try maligo. Lamig ng tubig. So, ito na yung last day namin sa camping. So, kitang-kita niya naman, masayang-masaya si Athena. Ay, si Athena ba? Si Mami?
Tingnan nyo, kaya na niya yung 3 days, 2 nights.
Kaya nga eh. Next daw, 4 days, 3 nights naman. Pahaba ng pahaba hanggang sa 1 linggo daw. Woo! Dapat kapag 1 linggo naka ano na.
Pips, alam nyo ba si Athena, hindi siya kagatin ng lamok, pero mayroon siyang bungang araw.
Yeah.
Yung panganay namin, Diyos ko, mamaya bibilangin ko. Ito, 1,
Sa,
2, 3,
hindi
4.
tinatablan ng
Ito pa, meron pa dito.
hindi tinatablan ng ano eh ng repellent yung mga mosquito dito, malalaki. Yeah.
Immune na sila. Sabi mo na vaccine na sila.
Oh, may vaccine na sila kaya hindi na tumatalab sa kanila yung repellent. Here peeps, tapos na kaming impake. Pauwi na kami.
Hi, Pips!
Hello.
Mga bata.
Yeah, sige, pakita ko na lang. How are you, Kuya Kale? Did you have fun? Enjoy? You want to do more? Camping? Nice. How about Athena? Good.
Did you have fun sleeping, Adina?
Do you have fun sleeping? Yes. Okay. So, nakapag-pack na rin tayo ng gamit. At, naayos ko na rin to. Punong-puno na rin yung gamit namin dito sa likod. Yan, maleta, container, pillow, laundry bag, at chair. So, yun. Nag-check out na kami. Time check is 11:46. Sakto lang dahil 12 o'clock yung check out namin. Okay. Let's go home.
Let's go to McDonald's!
Oh yeah, we will go to McDonald's, but we're gonna end our vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you peeps for watching. God bless. Bye.
See you next camping!
See you next camping.